In this guide, you'll learn how to turn off age restrictions on X or Twitter account. Let's get started. You usually can't fully turn off age restrictions if your account is set under a certain age or restricted by policy, but you can adjust sensitive content settings if your account is eligible. So launch your X app, make sure you have already logged into your account. Now click on the profile icon, go to the option settings and privacy. Now navigate to the option privacy and safety. Head over to the option content you see. Here, make sure display media that may contain sensitive content is turned on. This allows more content to appear in your feed. Next, go back and tap search settings and disable any filters like hide sensitive content so search results are not restricted. If you still don't see certain content, it may be because your account age is set under 18 or your birth date is incorrect. In that case, you need to update it. For that, navigate to your profile page, then click on this pen kind of icon given at the top right. Here you're going to find the option of birth date. Click on that. Click on continue. Now go through the process to update your birth date on X account. Finally, restart the app after making changes so the new settings apply properly, and that's it. With these steps, you'll be good to go. At the end, if this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.